Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you the render save customized light. Okay, where you customize your own light already, right? Then you can save it. Okay, let's get into it. Right, first you go to render. Okay, next you have your render light set up. Okay, in my case I may have this render set up. Okay, so when I press this one, edit, there's an edit button. You can edit it. So let's say I got add one light. Here, okay, then add another light. Put here, okay, you have something like this. Okay, once you're ready, then press this one, save the light. See, the light scheme was saved. Alright, see, it will save this one. Okay, so I create a new one. Okay, I call it light 2. Light 2. Okay, okay, once light 2 ready, okay, I can edit this. So maybe this I put natural light. Okay, then I save. So this will be my natural light. Then when I press my light one, it will go back to just now that light. Okay, then I go back to light 2, it will change back my just now my natural light. Okay, this is to save, this is to create new one. Okay, and this is to edit or delete. Alright, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.